Welcome to this quick and practical guide on how to use CapCut's fastest free AI video generator. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to harness powerful AI features in CapCut to create stunning visuals in minutes, whether you're making social media content, level up your YouTube videos, or just exploring creative ideas. So, let's jump in and see just how easy and effective these new tools can be. First, go ahead and open up CapCut on your device. If you haven't used CapCut before, it's a user-friendly video editing app, but today we're focusing on its AI-powered media generation. Once you're inside the app, look for the section labeled AI Media. This is the gateway to three impressive AI features: AI Image, AI Video, and AI Dialogue Scene. Think of this as your creative playground. Each option is built by CapCut to help you generate fresh, unique content at lightning speed. For this walkthrough, let's start by clicking on AI Image. This feature uses advanced generative AI to create images from text prompts, which can be super helpful if you need custom thumbnails, backgrounds, or just want to experiment. When the AI image interface opens, you'll see space to enter a prompt. A prompt is basically a description of what you want the AI to create. Get creative here. You can describe anything from a futuristic city skyline at sunset to a quirky cartoon dog. Be as specific and vivid as you like. The more detail you give, the better your result will be. Now, if you already have an image in mind, there's also an option to import your own image instead of just using a text prompt. This means you can use the AI to remix or upgrade something you already have, maybe a photo from your phone gallery or a design you started elsewhere. Importing an image lets CapCut's AI process and improve it, adding artistic flair or even blending it with what you describe in your prompt. Next, it's time to choose your model. CapCut offers different models with varying artistic styles and levels of realism. Think of these like filters on a camera. Each one interprets your ideas in its own way. So feel free to try out a couple and see which one matches your vision. This is where you really get to steer the creative direction of your project. After selecting a model, you'll set the duration and aspect ratio. Duration matters if you're creating short animations or looping visuals. For still images, this step helps determine how long the image will appear, especially in video timelines. Aspect ratio is crucial for fitting your image to the right platform. For example, a square ratio is perfect for Instagram, while a widescreen ratio suits YouTube or presentations. Don't worry if you're not sure about the settings. You can always experiment and preview. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Now, take a deep breath. This part might take a few moments as CapCut's AI works its magic in the background. The waiting time depends on how complex your prompt or imported image is, so don't worry if it's not instant. As you watch the process unfold, imagine a digital artist racing to bring your ideas to life. When the process wraps up, you'll see the final result on your screen. Take a moment to evaluate it. If you're happy with how it turned out, you're just a step away from finishing. If you want to tweak anything, feel free to adjust your model or prompt and regenerate. Creativity is about iterating and experimenting, so give yourself permission to play around. Once satisfied, go ahead and tap Export. Your creation is now ready to use, share, or insert into your bigger video project. Congratulations! You've just leveraged CapCut's free AI video generator to make something unique with only a few clicks. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and drop any questions in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides, and thanks for watching.